Soon we are going to see the landing of a fixed-wing aircraft in the heart of a Shahara. All around it's desert. So let's have a look and enjoy the landing of a fixed-wing aircraft. I especially urge up you to see after landing.
Okay,
Back of the aircraft.
let's have a look on a landing aircraft over a desert. It is just heart of Sahara Desert, and a landing airstrip is there, so we can see that one aircraft is coming on final. I don't know whether in the camera it is coming or not, but in a naked eye I can see one aircraft is coming for landing. Let's see what type of aircraft it is and why he is coming here. It will be a real nice experience to have a look on landing of a fixed-wing aircraft in the desert Shahara, and I'll show you all around. There is nothing but the sand, sand and sand. I'm not sure whether you can see or not. In my camera I cannot see. No, not yet. Even if I zoom it, you cannot see. But soon it will be in the screen. See, here we go. I think now you can see the spot. And I'm in such a place that after landing he has to cross me. So he is just landing, see? Aha. Just landed. Let him come close to me. And can you see at the back? Full of sand. It's a risky landing. Let's drive just behind the aircraft. Remember, it's not a good job and safe job to dive behind a aircraft, so please don't try it.